Generally, in the electronics industry, the problem that they face is mainly that the PCBs are collecting static electricity during the process, due to which there is a high level of rejections of the PCBs. Schmalz has come out with a solution for this problem, and that is our ESD suction cups, which has the electronic static discharge, and it is at a very higher level that the whole electronics industry would be startled to have this product on their machines. Hello, this is Philip Money, Managing Director of Schmalz India. We are launching the HT1 ESD suction cups. Which you can see here in different sizes, specifically for the sensitive electronics goods. It helps wherever there is electrostatic discharge on PCBs. Still, these vacuum cups can handle such PCBs. Apart from that is the high temperature. Also, it can handle also up to 175 degrees temperature, and still it will not leave any marks.
Today I'm here with Schmalz, and it is an honor for me to be here to inaugurate and unveil their new product offering, which is the HT1 ESD suction cups. This makes it a very special product for electronics industry. So I wish Schmalz team all the very best and great success with this new innovation.
These cups are also specially designed for display handling for phone glass, etc., so that there are no marks left on such glass after the handling.